Hello everybody, welcome to Allison and Mommy channel. Today we're going to take you shopping at this Asian supermarket, Latte Market. It's a plaza. Look big from the outside. Let's go inside. Here we are on the inside. Whoa, it's very big.
1점.
Those plants. Plant lovers. I love that one right there. Particular. Mango. Let's go check out the fresh fruit area. Ooh, lychee. $4.79 a pound. And they have Asian pear there. Cammy melon. What's that? I don't like those. This one. Nagaimo. This one from Japan. Wow. I don't know what this, what they make, like a sweet potato or something. I'm not sure. Let's go this side. Like a different type of mushroom here. Oh, look at these mushrooms. Very big. See, shiitake mushroom. It's kind of like what Grandpa go pick, but this one a different one. Different shiitake. Not too expensive or something. It's very big. We found something Daddy like. Thai guava. I don't know why they call it Thai, but maybe it's from Thailand. Let's get some for Daddy. Pretty big.หรือว่า AK มักงอกเนาะมักงอกมาข้าวหนึ่งครึ่งกิโล$5มากลิ้นจี่มะพร้าวครึ่งกิโล$5ราดนี้โซไลจะมีเป็นเครื่องญี่ปุ่นเกาหลีเนาะมาชิปLook, they have the small box too. You guys should buy a small box last time. Box หนึ่ง$6.99ไปเบิ่งเท่าตัวเล็กก็จะเป็นตลาดเกาหลีไล่กว่านี่คือมันเป็นตลาดเบียร์ขายเขาขายอย่าง rice area แถวนี้จะเป็นข้องมีไข่มีนมแล้วก็เบียร์มีส่วนใหญ่จะเป็นมีต่างๆเหล้าเบียร์ cream cheese meal. Gonna go check out that bakery right there after we pay. Check out those store. Bao Adidas look-alike, $4.99. Oh, the slipper. There's a house slipper. Not a house slipper. And all the tea and buckets. I want to get it for my sister. It's $9.99 in Fresno. Right here it's $4.99. This store is super clean. I love it. The Tiger rice cooker. I don't know why the Tiger brand is so expensive. We're gonna visit Bread and Co. Too dangerous to go in there. Look, they already have macaroon right there that I love, and the other cake, and the broccoli like 85 degrees I think. Yummy. Let's check out the cake. The cake looks yummy. Look at this small selection. Hello. The milk cake. So dangerous. Look at these. Oh, these are very popular in Thailand. Sesame stick. Look, Allison, you got choco mochi. Allison, there's a real chocolate inside, huh?
Yes.
Oh. One bite, 99 cents. Let's go check out this far wall right here. Yogurt bread. Oh. Oh my, oh my. Everything looks delicious. Delicious. Ding ding ding. Alina, which one you like?
Nothing.
Nothing. That's impossible. Banana cake. Make look just like banana. I might pick a couple. No. Taking these goodies home with us. Plus, I'm gonna try this mochi apricot matcha cake. Savory. And then the star of the show, Japanese cheesecake. I'm thinking about this new tea. It just sticks, huh? Stick up. Beautiful. Around this Asian corner, I come across this. Good. And it's had in Lao, Thai, Vietnamese, Japanese, and too. Alright, I think we have enough goodies here. We're gonna get out of here. Thank you everyone for watching. See you guys next video. Allison?